Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're absolutely new here, my name is Ray and I make natural hair videos and other videos in between. Today is finally one of those natural hair videos. But before I get into this video, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And if you watch my videos all the time and you're not subscribed to my channel, I mean, you might as well at this point because you watch all my videos. So you might as well find out when I post new videos by subscribing. So I will literally be showing you guys every single thing that I do and explaining every single little detail about how I wash my hair on wash day. Without further ado, let's get right into this video. So just as some background information, I guess, I don't know. So I wash my hair every week. Ideally, that's how often I would wash my hair. But do I? No, not really. I do the full-on wash day routine probably every week and a half to every 2 weeks. If you want to maintain your curls and you're trying to get your curls back, I would recommend deep conditioning your hair every single week, and that is what I'm trying to do. But this is a very old wash and go, which turned into me just putting it in a bun for like a week. Alright guys, so this is what my hair looks like when it's dry and crusty and needs to be washed. This is about a week after my last wash day. As a disclaimer, this video is not a product review. This is strictly me showing you the process and techniques that I use on wash day. So today I'll be using the Lotta Body Restore Me and shampoo and conditioner. I like these products. They are affordable, they smell good, and they get the job done. Nothing too fancy. I will go ahead and start by thoroughly soaking my hair in warm water. I like to do this to just break down any product buildup that may have occurred in my hair. Pretty much just rinsing out any excess that I can get out before I start. So I'll go ahead and shampoo my hair. I like to really focus in on my roots and the scalp of my hair, and then put any excess shampoo on the length of my hair. I feel like shampoo is mostly for your roots, and then conditioner is for the actual strands of your hair. So I will go ahead and separate the top half of my hair from the bottom half. I do every single step of my wash day in sections. I will go ahead and do a total of 4 to 5 twists in my whole hair. And I usually use my fingers to detangle, and I'll use the comb sometimes if I'm feeling fancy. But for the most part, I'll just rake that conditioner through my hair a few times and then twist it up. We'll save the long, tedious process of detangling for when I deep condition. Now that I'm done, I've created about five twists in my hair, and I'm going to go ahead and rinse out that conditioner. I'm just going to gently smooth over my hair and still kind of running my fingers through it to detangle. I repeat those steps for every single twist. I will rinse out the conditioner and twist it right back up. Once I'm done rinsing out my hair, it is time to deep condition. Again, we are doing every single step in sections. We're keeping those same sections from when I washed my hair. So I'll be using the Mielle Organics Babasu Oil Mint Deep Conditioner. This deep conditioner was really light, and I really liked it because it was minty, like it tingled on my scalp. But there was nothing really too special about this deep conditioner. I'll go ahead and thoroughly dampen my hair again, just to be sure that I'm putting product on a wet hair. You guys can watch my deep conditioning video to see every single detail about how I deep condition my hair, but pretty much I'm going to apply product until I feel like my curls are kind of defined. I use my hands for the most part, just making sure that I smooth that product onto each and every strand. And I will go ahead and either twist or plait that section back up to make sure that the deep conditioner can penetrate my hair. Also guys, this is the step of my wash day that I will go ahead and detangle my hair. So you will occasionally see me use the comb, but for the most part I'm finger raking again and again and again until I see that my curls are, defined and detangled and I can run my fingers through them. Like I mentioned, I will go ahead and break big sections into even smaller sections so I could really go ahead and focus that deep conditioner on every single strand. Right, once I'm done, I'll go ahead and apply some more deep conditioner, and I'll even add some oil to the crown and the plaits, the crown of my head and the plaits, just to, I don't know, add some more product, make it work better. And then I'm gonna put on a plastic cap, or you can put on a plastic bag or something, before you put on your heated bonnet dryer. I absolutely love this thing. It just makes my deep conditioning process so much easier and so much better. If you guys want more details on this dryer, go ahead and check out my deep conditioning video. But once I am done, I'm gonna go ahead and step back into the shower once again and rinse that out. So to rinse out this deep conditioner, I will be extremely gentle, and I won't at all comb through my hair with my fingers. I'm just literally going to squeeze the product out and gently scrunch and gently squeeze until all the product is out of my hair. And then I would even twist it back up while still standing under that cold water, as cold as I can get it. And then once I am done, we are finally ready to do my hair. I'm excited. I like to put a t-shirt on my head just to catch any excess water or liquid that'll be dripping while I'm getting dressed. But I will be working in sections as always. I will go ahead and re-dampen my hair if I feel like it's not wet enough. Today I'll be using the Design Essential Naturals line. I'm going to go ahead and apply the leave-in conditioner and the moisture milk until I feel like my hair is super soft and nice and ready to be defined with some gel. I will go ahead and smooth that product over my hair, and once I feel like it's soft enough, then I'll go ahead and twist it up. Alright, so now that I've applied the leave-in conditioner and the moisture milk on all sections of my hair, I'm going to go ahead in with my defining product. So guys, this is where I messed up. So there's a defining cream gel in this line, and there's also a curl foaming custard in this line. I didn't realize that this cream that I'm applying now is an actual gel, because I just thought it was like a curl activating type of cream. I didn't realize it was a gel, and I actually put in both. However, I did like these products individually. I went ahead and tried them again. As you can see, they really defined my curls, and it was super soft, but eventually you will see white flaking because I went ahead and put this on top of the cream gel, which I should not have done. But for the purpose of this video, just strictly pay attention to my technique and not the products that I use, because I definitely messed up. Anyway, so I always follow the same exact process for when I do wash and goes. I always apply a leave-in conditioner, to any type of moisturizing lotion, moisture milk, curl activator, something like that, something that is super hydrating. And then I will go ahead and put whatever defining product right on top of that. So I typically use 3 products in my wash and goes: leave-in, curl activator slash moisturizer, and then a defining cream or gel. Now, despite the fact that I went ahead and used 2 gels in my hair, my wash and go still came out pretty nice and moisturized and defined. But whenever I use this sectioning method, my hair always comes out super great. You want to apply your leave-in and whatever moisturizer or curl activator that you have, section it back off, go around your whole head, and then go ahead and apply your gel in sections, because you really, with the sectioning method, you really make sure that you get product to every single strand and every single section of your hair. But these are my final results, guys. I went ahead and parted down the middle just because it didn't fall into its natural part as usual. Then I will go ahead and re-wet my crown. The crown of your hair is basically the top and the whole top parts of your hair that everyone sees. This is the part that is always exposed to the sun. This is what everyone always sees. So I like to go ahead and reapply whatever defining product that I use to be sure that I keep frizz to a minimum, that I'm protecting those curls on top of my head. And I'll also go ahead and kind of redefine those front curls after I part it and messed it up a little bit. But yeah, I really like to focus on the crown of my head. Then I'll go ahead and put it in a ponytail, and then I'm gonna lay my edges. Don't ask me why I do this for a wash and go. I just always do it. I feel like it just looks good. I don't really know, but this is what I do. I feel like it sets the tone for the rest of the week. Like, it sets the tone for the rest of my wash and go. Really controls those little tiny hairs. I don't know. I just do this and it looks good. So Alright, so these are my final results, guys. Super pretty, super defined, moisturized, and shiny. Definitely love my wash and goes whenever I follow this process. But I will say that this video was not a product review. This was strictly a video for technique and showing you guys my process on how I wash my hair. So only take that from this video. I did use the products wrong, so I didn't get the results that I wanted necessarily on day 2 and day 3. But for the most part, my wash and go was decent. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Please leave a comment in the comment section, give me some feedback, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!